Hi Year 7s, we have come to the last exercise of algebra and we are talking about 8.7, the associative law, and it's pretty much just a long way of saying that no matter what order you put addition, or you have addition or multiplication, your answer will end up the same. So for example, the associative law for addition is saying here that if you have a plus b in brackets and then plus c after the brackets, it will still be equal to a plus b plus c inside the brackets, no matter which way you calculate this sort of way where you do the a and b first and then add the c, or this way where you add the b and c first and then add the a because they're in the brackets, you will achieve the same answer because it's all addition. And it's the same for multiplication. So associative multiplication is the same thing. So a multiplied by b in brackets multiplied by c is the same thing. So it's equal to a multiplied by b multiplied by c inside brackets. Okay, so here you have a and b in brackets and here you have b and c. You can substitute the same numbers in for each letter and you will get the same answer for those. So let's just put that into practice. Use the associative law to complete the following. So here you just need to fill out these little squares. So from this knowledge here, we have to work out what will go into each blank space. So here we've got 2w, so it's 2 multiplied by w, plus 8d plus something, all inside brackets. So if we know that this is the same thing as this, so this is equal to this, we can sort of work out what is supposed to go over here. So over here we've got something plus 8d plus 5h. So if we look over here, we have the 8d, and we can see here there's a 2w. Okay, so we can fill this in here. This should be 2w. Oops, my pen doesn't work. This should be 2w. So it's pretty much saying 2w plus 8d plus 5h, and we can see this is missing from this side. So to make this all equal, we need to fill this in with 5h. So now we know that this side is equal to this side. So let's do the same thing for this multiplication, associative multiplication. We've got x multiplied by something, and this is a good example of why we draw our x's like this, because when they're next to each other, a multiplication and an x, we know the difference between the two. All multiplied by 4g equals something out here multiplied by d multiplied by 4g. So we know we've got this in both sides. And what we don't have over here that we do have here is an x, so let's put that in. And what we don't have on this side is this d, so we can put that in. So essentially what we're saying is x multiplied by d in brackets multiplied by 4g is the same as x, and there's multiplied in there, multiplied by d, multiplied by 4g, same thing. So we've easily filled that out. Now the commutative law for addition, so this is another law. It's pretty much the same. It's just saying a plus b is the same as saying b plus a. It does not matter in which order you add things together, you will get the same answer, and it's the same for multiplication, commutative multiplication. A multiplied by b, so AB is the same as BA. The order does not matter when we're adding and multiplying. So the example here is to use associative and commutative laws to complete the following. So similar thing, we're going to write out or fill in the blanks. 4r plus, we've got 6t plus something equals 5g plus something plus something. So over here we see there's a 5g missing from this side, so we need to fill that in, 5g. Okay, so that's already here on this side, so we need a plus What's missing here? 4r and 6t. That's pretty much it.